What is it? Are you going to share that pink scarf with me?
Because it's for me.
I know, but I really like it.
Ow.
What's wrapped up? Hang on, honey. Over here. On the floor, there's one wrapped. Casper's going to open it.
You're being so loud. My own Dorothy Rainbow Mobile. Can I see it and then open it?
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma. Where's Grandma?
She's in Wisconsin. She's coming tomorrow.